Train travel is one of the oldest forms of transport, and the practice has a long history. Contrary to popular belief, most trains are modern, quick, and practical modes of transportation. Hello everyone and welcome back to the travel era. In today's video, we're sharing the most beautiful train rides around the world. Make sure to watch all the way to number 1. Most scenic attractions described here were mainly built to transport visitors to stunning, but possibly inaccessible locations. With their fine restaurants, historic buildings, and art, many stations are destinations distinct for themselves. So let's get started with number 10, the Atlantic Surfliner. This Amtrak route follows the Pacific coast from San Luis Obispo, where you may visit the vibrant university town, travel to local wineries, or an historic mission. From there, you may cruise in comfort over 350 miles of ocean scenery, passing beaches, rocky outcroppings, and charming communities with little in between you and the Pacific's clear waters. Visit the museums in Balboa Park in San Diego and eat in Little Italy or the Gaslamp District. Utilize any nearby train stations close to nearby sites if you have the time. Number 9, the Jacobite Steam Train. This 84-mile round-trip train excursion begins in the Scottish town of Fort William, next to Britain's highest mountain, Ben Nevis, and travels through lush green hills, pristine lochs, deep valleys, and charming cities. The 21-arch Glenfinnan Viaduct, with its sweeping curves and towering columns, is the trip's high point. It provides a view of Loch Shiel and the Jacobite Memorial. Thanks to West Coast Railways, which runs the Jacobite, Harry Potter fans will recognize this scene and the steam locomotive and carriages that eventually became the Hogwarts Express. Valley Wine Train. One of the pleasures of the 36-mile round ride from downtown Napa to St. Helena is winding through rows of vines, gorgeous farms, and vineyards against a backdrop of rolling green hills. Explore an industrial area of Napa and take in the city's modern outdoor art attractions, including the parks, murals, sculptures, and landscaping provided by Rail Arts District Napa. Continue with fine dining and wines to match the experience as you pass through Yountville, Rutherford, and Oakville towns. Number 7, the Grand Canyon Railway. This 130-mile round-trip journey starts in Williams, Arizona, about 30 miles west of Flagstaff. Near the Grand Canyon, the landscape transforms from a Williams ponderosa pine forest to an open prairie and back to pinyon pines, encouraging visitors to immerse themselves in the Old West through musical entertainment, cowboy figures, and other surprises. Visitors can see species like elk, mountain lions, deer, eagles, owls, and Californian condors, in addition to the breathtaking scenery. Number 6, Copper Canyon Railroad. This route travels through some of Mexico's most breathtaking New York City to Poughkeepsie by following the Hudson River's east bank. The 2-hour journey passes through historic cities with river views, woodlands, and mansions. With galleries, stores, and the Dia Beacon Museum of Contemporary Art, Beacon is a walkable artist community. Rich people are drawn to the river and its lush environments and constructed magnificent mansions, which are now open to the public. For the most incredible views, sit on the left of the northbound train and confirm tour times before stopping. Number 4, Kuranda Scenic Railway. One of the oldest rainforests in the world is traversed during this voyage in Queensland, Australia. The 2-hour trip starts in Cairns and travels through various natural settings, including ravines, mountains, waterfalls, forests, and floral plants. One of Queensland's most visited national parks, Barron Gorge is accessible by train or automobile from Kuanda, nearing the terminus of the railway line. The narrative of the construction of the railway, which was built with 37 bridges and 15 hand-dug tunnels and has a history of more than 100 years, includes the famous Kuranda Station. To fully enjoy the Wet Tropics World Heritage Area, some visitors take the train in one direction and the Skyrail Rainforest Cableway in the other. Number 3. Glacier Express. This train goes across the Swiss Alps between Zermatt and St. Moritz, Switzerland, offering breathtaking views of the mountains, streams, and charming villages. The journey begins in the mountain community of Zermatt, close to the Matterhorn, and proceeds beyond the jagged peaks, crossing the Rhone to enter the Upper Rhone Valley. The trip's highest point is the Oberalp Pass, the Rhine's source, at around 7,000 feet. The Rhine Gorge, commonly referred to as the Swiss Grand Canyon, offers one of the trip's most breathtaking sights as the train descends through the Rhine Valley from here. Headphones are provided, and the train's floor-to-ceiling windows make for straightforward viewing.